Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anvesha from Simple Tips Anvesha, and today we have with us a very special guest, a very famous dietitian Manju Malik from the channel Food, Fitness and Fun. का दूसरा channel भी आ गया, right?
It's called Fit Food Flavors, जो सिर्फ recipes का channel है.
Oh nice.
Thanks for asking. Guys, do go and subscribe.
Please do so. मुझे लगा कि आज मैडम को यहाँ लाया जाए because she's a fitness expert, she's a dietitian. रेसिपीज उनकी अच्छी है, वर्कआउट वो अच्छा करती है. She's a mom, a full-time mom, a full-time YouTuber, and she manages everything very well. So it's very inspirational for a lot of women like you and me to know how Manju manages her entire show. One thing that I've noticed about Manju is that Manju is very organized.
I try to be organized.
And how planning helps, I mean, she can really guide us. So she has lost a lot of weight, almost 15 plus kgs after her pregnancy. 15 to 20 kgs postpartum pregnancy jo lost. Continue watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and you have the channel link of Manju also in the description box. Let us begin. Okay, so the first question for you, Manju, is that what is your current weight right now, and how much weight have you lost after your pregnancy?
So post-pregnancy, I lost a lot of weight, but in the last 1 year, I've lost 10 kgs almost, and my current weight is between 56 to 57. I've been a fitness person, like fit person all my life. I was into sports. So I knew that there are two important things that you can do for your weight loss. One, start moving a bit more. Next is eat healthy food. Whatever you put in your mouth, that has to be healthy, and that has to be in portion. Like portion control is very important. Like I had a major issue of bloating, indigestion post pregnancy. I had a C-section, pulmonary edema attack. I was on bed rest for 3-4 months. So my entire system took a toll on me, and then I decided that it's just not eating healthy won't help me. The way I eat will help me, how much I'm eating will help me, and I have to eat certain foods that can help me improve my digestion. Small things, like when I eat, I have to make sure that I eat at a very slow pace. I have started enjoying my food. I've added few things like probiotics to my diet. So sauerkraut ho gaya, dahi ho gaya. So I really enjoy my herbal teas. There are certain herbs and spices which I take in winters. Cardamom I really enjoy. I really like the smell of cardamom and cinnamon. उसके अलावा कभी कभी अजवाइन है, you can add it to your milk. Summers में I have fennel seeds, जिसे सौंफ भी कहते हैं, mint है. So these things have really helped me calm down my stomach. I was an athlete. मैंने state और national level पे खेला है consecutive 3 years के लिए. So I was a long runner. But that actually took a toll on my bones and my system. So when you do a lot of cardio, तो आपकी bones थोड़ी fragile हो जाती हैं. I started losing a lot of muscle. So in the last 1.5 years, I've included strength training, resistance training. For example, all those isometric holds, all those poses I've started doing. So that actually have helped me get back into shape. So for example, after post-pregnancy, you have that tummy. So there's no exercise, no crunches, no sit-ups that can help you lose your belly fat. It's all about how you breathe, how you use your entire core during your entire workout. Midsection hota hai, that actually carries your entire weight. So use it. Core ko tight rakho whenever you're doing any exercise. That
what
will
she's
help.
saying is the postpartum belly fat.
Yes.
बहुत important tip.
This is very important, that use your midsection, your abdominal for every exercise.
First concern for every woman is belly fat को कैसे कम करें, and pregnancy के बाद it's difficult, but very important tip when you are doing your entire body workout. Very important is for holistic fitness is how a person's entire day is. So tell me, आप कितने बजे सोते हो, कितने बजे उठते हो, डे को कैसे प्लान करते हो, घर कैसे मैनेज करते हो, यूट्यूब वर्क कैसे करते हो, एक फ्रेमवर्क आउटलाइन दे दो हमें.
So my day basically starts a day before. So before going to bed, I just like to note down every small things that I want to accomplish or do the next day. So in a way, I sleep with all those thoughts in my mind. During my entire sleep, I gain focus, I gain energy. I sleep with a purpose in my mind. I don't know, my mother used to tell me, whatever thought you have before going to bed is the thought that is going to stay in your mind the entire next day. So it's very important before you go to bed, calm yourself down. The bedtime routine starts at 9 o'clock. So I have a small kid whose name is Veer. So it's all about preparing him and myself for sleep. So there are some books which I read to him before going to bed. Once he's gone to bed, it's my time to read and do this small writing work, few plans and all. So I get up really early. It can be between 4:45 to 5 o'clock in the morning. A lot of my YouTube work actually gets finished by 6:30 or 7.
Wow.
That is very important because then I have a family to take care of. I have my kid to take care of. We don't have any cook in our house, so I have to make meals, 3 meals for 5 people on a daily basis. I might have to shoot some videos. So that is how I plan my day. And another thing which I have decided, which I follow, is if I have set a certain time period or a timetable or a schedule for one thing, I make sure that once the clock reaches that time, I'm done with that work. Even if I'm not done, I have to get up and start doing my other work. Otherwise, my other work will suffer. So once your baby is up, next 15 minutes are very crucial. Then once my baby is in school, I go for my workout. So that is the time when I work out.
What time is it usually?
It's mainly between 9:30 to 11 o'clock. So I go for my workout, I come back, I take bath. If I have any time left, I try to shoot a recipe in that time, which I usually consume for my lunch. Then once he's back from school, that is 1 o'clock. After lunch, he takes a nap for around 1.5 hours. If I feel like working, I work in that time. Otherwise, I do my other recreational activities like I read, or maybe I do research. Try to gain some more knowledge. Maybe it is on some food or some diet plan. And then once he's up, my phone is down. I will not touch my iPad. I will not touch anything. No, it's kind of a digital detox. After 6, try to spend a lot of time with my kid. So I play with him, and then it's dinner time and again bedtime. So this is a little tight routine, but I still try to keep it relaxed. In between, I do small activities like I meditate if I'm not feeling well. I do shavasana, mostly on the floor, and try to relax myself, my breathing pattern, my brain. That's it.
So we see that how she has already planned her day and how she tries to actually maintain it, because it's commendable. Because I'm also a full-time YouTuber, so I know how much effort it takes. So the last question, Manju, 3 fitness wellness tips for any beginner watching this, any woman watching this now feeling very demotivated in life, जिनको लग रहा है कि यार कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, ये लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं, मेरा करियर भी फ्लॉप हो रहा है, मेरा हेल्थ को भी मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Just 3 things on what to such a person.
Most important thing is stress. So when I gained weight, I realized it is not the diet or the less movement. It is basically the stress that has caused it. I was working full time. I was working as a journalist. Nobody knew it actually. I'm saying this on YouTube for the first time. I was working with a news channel as a sports news reader. So that's a very tough job. Journalism is not easy, and I was also running a YouTube channel. So that was really tough. So to reduce my stress, I decided I have to let go of few things. So don't just keep things to yourself just because they're giving you some status thing in your life.
Person has to identify their stress in life.
Stress. Find out what is causing stress and just let go of it.
Right.
Even if it is a bad relationship or situation, just let go of it. Second thing, workout. Just spend 20 minutes on your body. Do any workout you like. And last but not the least, eat natural food.
Thank you so much, Manju. Very insightful, very inspirational for people like me, and I'm sure a lot of people who are watching it want to do something with their life, want to change their life for the better. That is why people come to fitness channels like ours. So अगर वीडियो पसंद आया, आपने लाइक करना है, आपने नीचे कमेंट करके बताना है. मंजू के चैनल पे जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. उसका नया चैनल है, have the Fit Food Flavors channel link there in the description box below. You can go and check it out. And yeah, that's it. Signing off from here.
Thanks for having me. It was wonderful talking to you. I think there are certain things which I've never shared. Even on my channel, I've shared those things here.
Okay, so see you, bye. And that is an inspirational mom sharing her post-partum pregnancy weight loss things.
Bye-bye.